In my collections management demo for Microsoft Dynamics GP, I illustrated how we can use Microsoft Word as the letter writing and letter distribution tool. I'd like to illustrate now how that's accomplished in Dynamics GP 10. I'm going to begin by opening the collection letters window and entering in a name for this collection letter I'm going to create. Next, I want to associate with that letter an action ID from Collections Management to record the activity and make that information available to other users. Indicate it's going to be a Microsoft Word document and save it. Next, I use the blue expansion button to actually build the letter. When Microsoft Dynamics Word opens, I want to start by inserting my company logo. Next, I want to add a background watermark. This is going to be a custom watermark, and I'm simply going to do plain text. In this case, we'll call it past due account. Now that the graphical elements of my letter are complete, we can start to enter the data. Dynamics GP is integrated very closely to Microsoft Office, and that gives me the ability to pull data directly from the GP database. From the Add-ins tab, I can select customer name, as well as address lines 1 and address line 2, and then city, state, and zip code. I'll next add the contact name as an attention line, again from the customer records. Now I can begin building the body of the letter itself. I'll start by typing in, your total overdue invoices are listed below. Now from the Invoices tab, I can grab all of the overdue invoices detail tag and include that in my letter. A summary sentence is now included that will pull from the Invoices tab and grab the tag for the overdue invoices total. And have that dollar amount sent back to us today to avoid any penalties or legal action. Next, I want to include some information about the contact person at my company. So for any questions concerning your account, please contact, and I can include the collector's name, phone number, and email address. I'll finish the letter by adding a salutation, kind regards, and the collector's signature. I want to make the dollar amount that's due very visible, so I'll turn that red and in bold. And I can then save that letter and close Microsoft Word. Back inside Collections GP, I can save the letter that I've created. Next, I want to go into the Collections main window, and I'll pull up the query that we ran in the previous demo and go to the first record in that. Click on the Print button and select to print a letter. Use the looking glass to select the letter that we just created and print that to the screen. The letter will now open in Microsoft Word, merging together the templated information that we created as well as the database that we have tagged from the add-ins dropdown. As you can see, we've now included the company logo, name and address of the customer, details of the invoices that are overdue, total dollar amount, and the collector's information. That's the process for creating a letter in Microsoft Word. When I close that document and go back into the collections main window, I'll click Redisplay, and you can see that we've included that action item of sent letter. Combination of Microsoft Dynamics GP's collections management as well as the letter writing capabilities of Microsoft